Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding with Rajesh. We have released a introduction video to my channel Coding with Rajesh. In this video, just we see the some striking difference between the old programming language and a new programming language and a very popular programming language called as Java programming language. Why actually I am telling old programming language means, see, if you see, C programming language is very old. That means it is way back to 1970s actually. But we got a very new and very promising programming language such as Java programming language. Now we'll see the very striking difference between these two programming languages. Basically, C is a procedure-oriented programming language. That means C always have got orientation of the procedures or functions. That means function is a small chunk of code which can do a particular task actually, some particular work actually. But whereas if you talk about Java programming language, always Java programming language has got orientation of the objects. That is why Java is called as object oriented programming language, unlike C programming language. Anyways, C has got its own advantages. Like you can do any project or you can do any kind of task by using C programming language. The main advantage of C is it is very apt for the system programming. That means using C you can develop any kind of system program such as operating systems, compilers, etc. But Java is having its own advantages in the programming language world. Now we will see the simple concepts of Java programming language, like objects and classes. See, an object is a real world entity. That means objects are having the real world existence. The examples of objects are book, chair, computer, etc. Whereas a class is having a virtual entity. A class is a virtual entity. That means class is not having the real world existence. It's only in our thoughts. The examples of classes are vehicle, animal, etc. See, if you talk about the objects of these animals and vehicles, you got some real world objects of animal like cat, dog, etc. If you talk about the objects of vehicle, you got some car, truck, bike, etc. Like this, always objects are having the real world existence, whereas classes are not having the real world existence. They are actually virtual entities. That means they are in our thoughts only. Like this, we may differentiate the objects and the classes. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.